from his loan at Wigan, and it is anticipated one born to play at Premier League level and beyond. James a part of that, having come on early in that game. James. Zuma. James. Zuma. James. Pedro. Oh, that is sweet. And this is Reece James. Batshuayi too. The Blues are flying away. Wasting no time, showing no mercy. Michy Batshuayi with his first strike of a new campaign. And for James. Rolled for Barkley. Gilmore. James. Batshuayi with a background unusual to say the least, certainly never an elite player. Indeed, instead an elite. James. Gibson did just about enough in the left-back position, but here comes James from Chelsea's right-back position with a degree of swag. Shakespeare, for a little while just recently, manager of Leicester City. And wherever Carabao Cup third-round action is being played all over the country. Smartly done by Whitehouse, sorted out by James. The Kosh here again, James. Tackle by Green. Foucher on the dotted line, Christian Pulisic. Green, who has to get those right now, is in the book. James. By Clifton. So, Hansen came to try and get it. Zuma got there first. Reece James, Batshuayi. James. Heading back out of the Football League, he saved them. He took them through one consolidatory. It's Clifton. Should get there before him. Whitehouse. James strong enough to let him run. Davis is up there too. And Riffers for advice. James. Sent against Davis. Taken back for Chelsea by James. Barkley. Wide for James. Poked in by James and poked home by Zuma. There's no catching Chelsea now. Kurt Zuma dashed in front of his man. Gilmore. James. Nicked off him by... Kept it from right. Gave it to James. And Alonso. Press. Pedro. Pulisic. James. Pulisic! James having got forward to great effect. Peddling was Gibson. because of an extraordinary rainstorm at Blundell Park. Here's James. Pulisic. In the Champions League, where they played one, lost one. So they need a start in that too. James. Clear only as far as James! That's a smashing goal! That may well be indicative of the birth of a stellar Chelsea career. Reece James didn't need a second look. Not by James. Gilmore, James, Batch. Pulisic, and James.